You can make a great video presentation without using a drone. Satellite image videos can show a motion flyover of any area on Earth, showcasing points of interest or any data you find relevant. Present area attractions like local landmarks, parks, or shopping districts. Visualize any kind of data to help understand regions or districts, buildable land, political trends, socioeconomic data, population density, and more. Satellite image videos can be edited to include local photos, video footage, music or soundscapes, and your branding. You don't need a drone, you don't need a pilot, and you won't be restricted from flying over certain areas or at different elevations. To learn more, come visit us at satelliteimagevideos.com.